Welcome to this thorough walkthrough for the process of encasing GoliathTech helical piles in concrete, incorporating void formers for any concrete construction, such as trench footings and concrete slabs. This process combines ease of installation with the durability assurance specific to GoliathTech screw piles. It also stands as a revolutionary solution for areas prone to soil movement, such as expansive soils, frozen environments, flood zones, or liquefiable soils. Avoid future costly foundation repairs by preventing your foundation to fail over time due to soil movement. This new process ensures unmatched longevity and guaranteed capacities. Here are the 12 steps that illustrate its straightforward installation for both trenches and concrete slabs. Step 1. Engineer's design. The engineer designs trench and concrete specifications, rebar reinforcement size and placement, as well as loads and placement for the screw piles. Step 2. Excavation. Excavation must be done according to the engineering specifications and design for the slab or trench. Step 3. Formwork construction. Concrete formwork is built following the engineering plans. Step 4. Installation of helical screw piles. From this stage onward, GoliathTech products come into play. Installation of the piles must adhere to the technical specifications regarding placement, depth, torque, and height above ground. Step 5. Installation of void former. The void former is installed around the piles, directly on the ground. The void former will degrade or compress over time, creating a void and isolating the concrete from soil movements, while ensuring stability and durability. The process is identical for all concrete construction. Step 6. Void former covering. The cover should be installed over the previously installed void former. The piles should extend approximately 6 to 10 inches depending on the trench design. The purpose of the covering is to protect the void former from moisture during the concrete pouring process, which could reduce its effectiveness. Step 7. Joint sealing. Seal all void former cover joints with tape to prevent infiltration. Step 8. Installation of screw pile rebar reinforced heads. Rebar reinforcement heads are installed on the screw piles using appropriate bolts to ensure a secure attachment. Step 9. Placement of rebar reinforcement cage. The rebar cage is placed over the heads of the screw piles. Step 10. Rebar tying. The screw pile heads are tied to the reinforcement cage using a rebar tying gun to form a cohesive and solid structure. Step 11. Concrete pouring. Next, concrete can be poured according to technical specifications, ensuring even distribution and eliminating air bubbles. Step 12. Concrete finishing. The concrete should be smoothed and/or polished as per specifications to achieve a perfect surface that guarantees durability. By following these 12 simple steps, you can ensure a correct and durable installation of GoliathTech screw piles in concrete applications. Even in the most challenging soils, this innovative process ensures unique stability and durability of the trench or concrete slab, regardless of soil movements and temperature variations. Embrace this process to benefit from its revolutionary advantages and decisively overcome the limitations and durability issues associated with traditional foundations.